Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Gilbert again, and I am coming to you today to go over some more math stuff. So these are the things that you will need to get ready today. You are going to need 10 of the items that were in your bag that we made the other day. I still have my 10 erasers. You are also going to need your notebook or whatever you are writing on. Maybe it's a little notepad or just some loose paper and something to use to write. So you're gonna need a marker or a pencil or even crayons. It doesn't matter today. So we're gonna start out getting your brains ready, okay? So I'm gonna use my little paddle board again today, and I'm going to be putting some counters on here. Now, before I do that though, let's remember some things about this that you see here. Can anybody remember what tool this is on my paddle board? You're right, it's a 10 frame. And how many things can fit in a 10 frame? 10, perfect. All right, so are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna flip it over and get ready. On the back, you'll notice that there's two 10 frames. While I get mine ready, I want you to think, what is 10 and 10 more? If you're not sure, you can count those while I get my counters on here. All right, let's see. Remember, I'm just gonna put them on here, and they may not be all in a straight row. You may see some on one side and some on the other, or some on top and some on bottom. So just make sure that you're really looking at it and thinking about it, okay? All right, are y'all ready? This one's a little tricky. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna turn it over for just a few seconds, and you are going to think about what you see. Remember, don't scream it out, but be a good mathematician and put your hand on your heart when you're ready to share. All right, here we go. Look closely at what kind of pattern you see. All right, you think you know the answer? Okay, how many counters do you see? I'm gonna show you again real quick. Now that one was a little hard, I bet. Okay, so let's think about it. Did you see like a certain amount on this side and a certain amount on this side? Did you see so many on top and so many on bottom? Let's talk about what we see as the total answer first. Did you see the total as 6? You're right. How many is in this little group right here? You see 4 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many's over in this little group by itself? 2. So you are right if you answered 6, because 4 and 2 more make 6. I could count on. I could say 4, 5, 6. Or maybe you already just know 4 and 2 more make 6. Can you write this down in your notebook? So what I would do is I would get my notebook out, and I would open up to a clean page. You might see some of my work from the other day. All right, and so I would draw this, or I would just write it down what I saw. I saw a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I saw a group of 2. 1, 2. Okay, and I could label that. I could circle this group right here and say that that was my group of 4. Then I could circle this group and say this is my group of 2. Now I can see my 2 numbers that I'm working with to be able to build an equation. All right, so I'm going to use 4 plus, that means I'm putting some numbers together. My other number is 2, so 4 plus 2 equals, and equals means that I am ready for the answer, or it's telling me the total when I put those numbers together. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So maybe this is what yours looks like whenever you record it. And it doesn't have to match mine exactly, just to show your thinking. Okay? All right, good job, boys and girls. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you is called a numberless word problem. So a word problem just kind of tells me like a little story almost. And numberless means it doesn't have any numbers to begin with. So you're gonna have to really be thinking about this, okay? So I'm gonna pull mine out. I got it ready on my clipboard. Okay, and I'm gonna read it out to you, okay? It says, Mom planted some flowers. She planted 2 different colors. So are you thinking in your mind what's happening right now? What is Mom doing? She's planting flowers, right? And it says she has 2 different kinds of flowers, 2 different colors. Now we don't know how many she has yet, do we? But you can be thinking about what you see in your mind. All right, so I'm gonna give you a little bit more of the problem. You ready? Mom planted 3 pink tulips. So now it tells me how many she planted and what color those flowers were. And then it says she planted some more flowers. So Mom planted those 3 pink tulips and then she decided she needed some more. Can you see that in your head? So far Mom has how many? 3. And now she's fixing to get some more. All right, are you ready? Mom planted 3 pink tulips and 7 yellow tulips. So now I can see the 2 flowers that Mom planted. She planted 3 pink tulips and 7 yellow tulips. Now tulips are just the type of flower. Now, what you need before we get ready for the last part is you need to pull out your tin frame. Remember that tin frame that we talked about the other day that you guys made, or your family might have printed you one off? All right, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use some of my counters that I had out, and I'm gonna build that on my tin frame so I can see, from what I see in my brain, I'm gonna put it on my paper now, okay? So it says Mom planted 3 pink tulips. So I have 3 of my little counters out. 1, 2, 3, okay? Because Mom planted 3 pink tulips. And then it says she planted 7 pink tulips. How many tulips did Mom plant all together? So I have my first number 3. Now I'm gonna add my other 7 on my tin frame. So I'm gonna count 7 out for 7 yellow tulips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 3 right here and 7 more. Can you see my tin frame? What do you notice about my tin frame? It's all filled up, isn't it? So I bet that Mom planted how many flowers all together? She planted 10, didn't she? Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can record that in your notebook, okay? So we can just go back to that same page I just done, and I'm gonna use a pink and a yellow marker. So I'm gonna grab my markers out, and I'm gonna use pink and yellow to show Mom's flowers that she planted. All right, so I'm gonna draw my pink tulips. Now, in math, it's not always necessary to draw a picture to match whatever the word problem says, because we're being mathematicians right now, not really artists. So I'm just gonna draw some circles. So I know that Mom had 3 pink tulips, okay? Oh, I need to draw a little line right through here so I can separate my 2 problems that I done. All right, now it says she has 7 yellow tulips. Should I just draw mine all the way across? Maybe that'll be a good idea. 7 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't have enough room, so I'm not gonna try to squeeze it off the page. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna show you what mine looks like. There are my 3 pink tulips and my 7 yellow tulips. Now, one way that I could have done this is I could have organized it in a tin frame. So I'm going to show you how you can organize yours into a tin frame. So when you share this later on your teacher's Facebook page, you can show them your notebook of your the beginning that we done with our counters to show how many we could see, and then we're going to show our math problem right here. So this is one way you could show your math problem, or you can do a tin frame. And I know 5 are going to be on the top, so 1, 2, there's my 3 pink tulips, And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I built mine into a 10 frame just so it's easier for us to count it, guys. All right, we're almost finished for today, but I still got to show you how to play a game and give you your daily challenge. So here's what yours would look like if you made it into a 10 frame. You see it? Yeah, and we could write an equation with this. I almost forgot. How many pink tulips did Mom plant? 3, you're right. Plus, how many yellow tulips did Mom plant? 7, you're right. Equals 10. Very good, boys and girls. All right, so now I'm gonna show you a quick little activity that you guys can play today, a game. I'm just gonna move all this stuff out of my way. But I am going to still need these counting tools that I got out. I'm gonna go ahead and just take these right off of here and just hold them in my hand. And we're gonna play a fun game today called Toss the Chips. Not chips that you eat. It's talking about these little counter chips. But I know you guys probably don't have these at home. So you could use some coins, or you can use whatever you put in your counting collection. All right, so I have 10 in my hand. Today, let's only use 7 of them, okay? So I'm gonna put them just in a cup, like a little drinking cup, and I'm gonna put 7 of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now what you do is you're gonna need a piece of paper. And I just got a construction piece of paper. I'm gonna stand up to do this. I think that'll be better so you guys can see me better. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you put 7 in your cup. You're gonna give it a little shake, and you're just gonna dump it out on your paper. Now you wanna make sure that some of them land on your paper and some of them land off of your paper, okay? So here goes. Whoa, some of mine hit the floor. I better grab those up real quick. Whoops. If it lands on the floor and you're playing on a table, just get it, put it on the table. All right, so let's say I'm gonna move all these over that were not on my mat, and then I have some on my mat. Can you guys see that? Let me turn it just a little bit this way. There we go, I think you can see it now. All right, so how many do I have not on my mat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many landed on my mat? Or on my piece of paper? Only 2. So 5 and 2. Now remember, I started with 7 counters. So I could write that in my notebook, just like we were writing in our notebooks a while ago. I'm out of room on that page, so I'm just gonna turn to a new page. And I'm gonna write this equation. 5 off the mat plus 2 on the mat equals 7. So I'm gonna put those 7 back in my cup, and I'm gonna play a few more times. So I'm just gonna drop them in. I'm gonna try to go not so hard this time. Whoop, 2 of them fell off again. All right, so let's count how many are off the mat. We have 2 off, plus how many on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals again 7, because I have not changed how many I'm using. I'm still using 7. So you're just gonna play this game with your family. I want you to play it 8 times. So you're gonna have 8 equations on your paper when you're done, okay? All right, are you ready for your daily challenge today? All right, your daily challenge today is to look around your house, and we are gonna go on a shape hunt. And today we're gonna be looking for triangles. Now remember, a triangle looks like this. A triangle has a straight side, another straight side that points up, and another straight side that points down. A triangle has 3 parts, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter which way he's pointing. He's still a triangle. I want you to go around your house today and see if you can find 15 triangles. Good luck. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.